Aria munna kisa kanyango na ka Fufa ko telelo Africana Moroto nesi etetemere aina peta nuweka manara keda eiponelo aitopol atukoto samba chika atupita na Polo Clinton erongetelo ka Fufa ngesa balebe emunosi kese budget lo ibirion na kesa wuni kanyare lu etutuboto kesi aitolota aina peta nu atukoto kech.
So the budget for 2024 has been approved at 37 billion. However, because of the changes since this budget was prepared, arising from the Pamoja bid rights, which were awarded to the East African bid, that is Pamoja, Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania, there will definitely be some changes because our budget is approved prior to the AGM by the EXCO, and then this is sent to the delegates in the convocation documents for them to also review and prepare any queries or any items that they want to have discussed when the budget is presented. But in this case, after these budgets were submitted, there was that the winning of the rights to host AFCON 2027. So we anticipate that there will have to be some changes to this budget subsequently, because as you know, there will be so many activities happening right from now onwards. Until the time that the tournament is hosted.
Apollo Clinton Fufa konya ko ikide na ko Uganda dan ekaju ngesi ajo kiti Ebajet.
Jasilolo ne northeast Ariwok ne Toma Moroto district. Raina rere kutube budget ido de jamu no bingara kine budget on ay tekerar ayangare karutiere do da salam kiti bobo kesi ano Etutub budget li million na kaisaka do de pote angara kine region ay topole mo pira
e budget ngone betabu na somboro no epu sesenejo capacity building seseneji mo pira sesenejo DFS betadu munisirigin so epu akiboro no
President Loka Fufa Moses Magogo ngese balebe ay somanari ne pepeke da engarno hoka apugan ko Uganda ngesi ekeu atukotona.
In 2013, Fufa had a budget of 4 billion Uganda shillings as a turnover annually. Today, as we speak, we float about 40 billion. That's almost 10 times what we have. That has been our turnaround over the 10 years. Fufa has created the reserve fund, which we are building. Our credit worth is over 2.5 billion, and this is very important. It means that we can spend up to more than 2.5 billion, up to 2.5 billion when we don't have this money. It's very important. It means you don't go for money lenders. It means you are able to undertake your activities on time, up to a tune of 2.5 billion, and for me this is very, very important.
Kosodi Minister lo chichi lo abolasho Peter Ogwang lo arai epejonon lo angosibib ngesabu kituru Magogo.
As I speak to you, this country now has a sports law. The national sports law was assented to by His Excellency President of the Republic of Uganda on 17th August, and it was officially gazetted on 8th September 2023 in the Ugandan Gazette to become an operational law in the country, subject to put in place regulations and the SI, which I want to promise you, as the Minister of Sports, I have now embarked on that journey to make sure that we have regulations and the statutory instruments to fully operationalize this law. Very soon, we shall have a sports policy in place to provide strategic direction for sports promotion and development in the country. I can guarantee you, government is committed to providing all what is required to make sure that Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania host the best African Cup of Nations ever in the history of this country.
Loka TV East, Rebecca Mungin, Moroto District.
In accordance with the Fufa statutes, see you.